Hey guys, I'm gonna do a shout out to Alan Yojo Fan. Sorry I can't pronounce your name right, but I just watched your videos and they're pretty good. Especially that one. I watched some other ones. You guys subscribe to it. I don't have much subscribers, but you guys go subscribe. Make her have about 20 subscribers. That'd be really helpful for me. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and also the Subway Surfer stuff here. But I also have another subscriber to shout out. Also want to shout out 5 because he does lots of Call of Duty Black Ops. I'm gonna show you one of his videos. I've watched tons of his videos. I want to watch one of his videos that I haven't watched. Like I watched, I think. Okay, so it's pretty good. I'm just gonna turn up the volume. Also want to shout out to who's trying to make V5 Frizzy have 70 subscribers and one fights with Jackie. I watched, as you can see, lots of his videos. And see if we can make him have 10 subscribers, make it 7. 10 subscribers, yeah. Subway Surfers. Now, as I'm talking, I would like to shout out Banana Productions 20. He has like 370 subscribers. I'm trying to get him to 320. I don't have much subscribers, so just try to help him out. He does like everything. He does Minecraft. I didn't watch his other videos, but I watched some of his Minecraft videos. They're pretty good. Good quality. Way better than mine. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, darn it. Oh, it's gonna be something good. What can I do? Yes, and we spelled run. If you guys want me to do more Subway Surfers, just comment below what you want me to do. And also I'm going to be adding music in as you can tell. And if you guys don't like it, just in the next video, just comment below what kind of music you want. And yeah, I'll put it in there. I'll try. Oh, sorry. Sorry, okay. Wait, wait a second, I just need to check something. What? Did I get that much money? Did I? Bye. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And peace out. And don't forget to subscribe to them. And if you guys do subscribe to them, just come back to me. Write down YouTube in below, and then subscribe to me, and I'll show you out in the next video. And peace out.